Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This week's episode features date night. Alright, so we're in the car, we're on the way to Alley Cats. We're gonna go bowl and do some arcade and play some laser tag. So this is the place. This is Alley Cats. Entrance. He said he was gonna whoop me, but I'm winning this one. Look at this score. Look at this score. Ain't over yet. This is the last one. Oh, look at that. Look at that. What do you think? Last game to draw? You win the last one?
I did.
You win the last one?
I did the last one.
Oh, he's not even say it's a draw.
It's 46-6. I'm leading on the board.
I can't see here. So this last round, he says he's winning. That's the laser tag right there. I'm like really sweaty because we just finished a game of laser tag. What do you think, babe? What do you think?
Great. I love it.
You like the laser tag? Yeah. Are you sweaty? We were playing with like a bunch of kids who were like half our age. Like, were you breathing hard? You get a little sweaty during the activity? Yeah. Hungry now? I'm hungry now too. Let's get some food. So the arcade in here is pretty freaking cool. look at all this candy we got out of that machine. And then we played arcade, and he got himself a game of domino, and then we got some shot glasses too. We didn't have any shot glasses. So hopefully you guys enjoyed our craziness. It was a blast. We spent like 4 to 5 hours at the bowling alley. So for old people, that's exhausting, you know? So I'll see you guys later. Bye!